Hi there, welcome to the Spy Store. Today we'll be looking at our S50 adjustable mini Wi-Fi camera. So let's get out the box. So in the box you have the camera itself, the instructions, the stand, some sticky pads, charging cable. The screws are so you can put this little magnetic plate anywhere in your room and then attach the stand to that. To attach the camera to the stand, you simply slide it on. Take it off, slide it off. So next we'll go through the setup of your camera. Firstly, we want to make sure the camera is switched on at the back, and then we need to reset the camera back to factory settings. We do this by pressing the reset button for about 5 seconds until we get a flash of green and blue light. I like to use a little screwdriver or pin just because it can be quite fiddly. Now we hear the chime on this camera, that means it's reset to factory settings. Now we need to download and log into the app. This one uses the O-KAM Pro. So once you've downloaded and logged in, it'll give you the option to add in the top right corner, and we'll need to scan the QR code on the back.
Please turn on the power switch of the device. Press and hold the reset button on the device for about 5 seconds. Wait for the device's voice prompt or see the indicator light is always on, and then click next.
So that's basically just told us to switch the camera on and reset to factory settings, which we've already done. So we can just skip. I've heard the prompt and press next.
Select the Wi-Fi network you want to connect to.
So here we need to choose the Wi-Fi that we're going to connect the camera to. You have to make sure that it's a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi, not a 5 gigahertz. Here we've selected our Wi-Fi, we press next, and it will give us a prompt to confirm it.
Point the QR code on your phone at the device lens and keep it 15-30 centimeters away until the device makes a beep sound or the indicator light stays on.
So now we need to scan this QR code with the camera lens. I like to just hold it close and draw away. And once you hear the beep, it's scanned.
Network connection succeeded.
Here you might have heard the camera speak to you and it'll tell you that the phone and the camera are now connected. Just give the app a minute or so to catch up, and then we'll move on to the next step. Here we go. The app is connected to the camera. We can name the camera. Here I'm just going to name it Office, as we're in the office, and press Get Started. This will also help us differentiate between different cameras we might have around our house, as you can have multiple cameras on your one app. You have one in your office, your garage, your kitchen, your hallway, for example. Now it will tell you to test the Wi-Fi connection. So here you're going to want to put the camera and your phone next to each other in the area that you want your camera to be placed permanently. So now we'll just press next. Give it a second. It'll say testing's complete, and you just press done. Now it gives us the options of notifications, so either push notification or motion detect. We can change these later in the settings if we want to. So for now, we'll press Get Started, and we're connected. Now, if we press on the camera, we can live view what's going on in front of us. We can also go through the settings here and use the two-way intercom, so we can speak to whoever's in front of the camera, and they can speak to us via the microphone in the camera. We can change it to night vision. It already comes automatically on night vision, so when it goes dark, the camera will switch to night vision on its own, so you don't have to worry. If you are setting up the camera on the ceiling and the camera is upside down, you can even flip the camera upside down and back again. If you have any other questions about our mini cameras, please feel free to get in touch with our dedicated customer service team or click the link below. Thank you.